All right, so since the announcement about Elliott Hill came out, the stock's going up over 4%. I want to ask you, now that he's taken the top job, do you think investors will continue to have confidence in his ability to complete what seems to be a turnaround plan?
Well, look, I mean, like Matt said in that comment you just played, I mean, this will take time. But I very much believe that the appointment of Elliott Hill to the CEO role is a significant step in the right direction for Nike. So I've written that a lot. I've told our clients that a lot. I mean, I think this is a kind of a back to the basics type strategy, or at least signaling a back to the basics type strategy for Nike, where the company really refocuses on product innovation and refocuses on rebuilding relationships with key wholesale partners.
Brian, it's interesting that you say that. So Elliott Hill, his resume kind of went viral on LinkedIn. The fact that he's really only ever worked at Nike, up from an intern. When we're talking about a company that seems to need like a shakeup, why are you so bullish on the idea of bringing somebody in who's an insider, who's done it the way that seems to have maybe run its course for Nike? Maybe they just need a different strategy.
Well, look, I mean, it's a great question, and time will tell. But I don't think Nike needs a shakeup. Okay, I don't think this brand is broken. I think the brand has gotten a little stale, a little tired. Okay, but as I talk to the companies I follow that sell Nike products like Dick's Sporting Goods or Academy Sports, they all want more from Nike. So again, the point I'm making here is I don't think a shakeup is needed. I think a revitalization is needed, and I think really the choice to bring back in a proven executive, someone that was at the company, grew up in the company, and had enjoyed a lot of success there. I think that's the right move.
All right, so you say they need to get back to innovation. What areas are you looking for more innovation from? Is it the basketball franchise? Is it the Jordan franchise? Then in general for Nike's more of a premium offering? Or is it in running? We just had the Olympics. I mean, did you think there was a lack of innovation when it came to the products they were promoting during that time?
Well, I think the answer to that question is kind of all of the above.
Really?
And another big positive here, and this is under former management, but I think Nike really started to admit that Nike has a problem. They did this maybe several quarters ago. And what they've said, and I agree, they got too reliant upon a very small number of key franchises, particularly within the lifestyle category. So, I think what you're starting to see now, and I think there actually have been some early wins here in some of these new shoes they're introducing in the running category. We're seeing better sales results there. So to answer your question, Frank, look, I think it's all of the above. But I think what you're going to see is really newness, better product, that product that historically really drove Nike customers to buy more.
So we often talk about some of these rising competitors like On Running and Hoka. In your mind, as we see Elliott Hill take the reins, are they real threats to Nike's market dominance in any area? I mean, they're obviously in the running shoe area, but we're also seeing some other lifestyle brands. We're talking about lifestyle like an Aloe and things like that. Are any of these rising competitors genuine threats to Nike's business?
Look, I don't think they're necessarily threats to the business, but they have taken some share. That's unquestionable, just looking at the data. Now, what I think is happening here, it's really maybe twofold. I mean, one, I think the lacking innovation at Nike, given just the sheer size of Nike, a $50 billion company, has opened an opportunity for some of these smaller companies to take market share. So I think that's happened. But the other bigger positive, and I think this is true for the whole category, I make this point all the time when I'm talking to our clients, as a society, we're dressing much more casual now. These athletic shoes, lifestyle type shoes are becoming our dress shoes. So, I think that dynamic is making for a better overall sales environment for Nike and then all these smaller brands which have done better lately.